In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Etsy shop ideas, fast and easy. If you're an Etsy seller, you know that finding the right products to sell is key to your success. Google Trends is a fantastic tool that can help you identify what's trending and discover new niche ideas to explore. Let's dive into it. First, we start by heading to the Google Trends website. You can easily find it by doing a quick search for Google Trends on your preferred search engine and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on their homepage, you're ready to begin exploring. Now think of a broad niche idea that you're interested in. This could be something like handmade jewelry, printable planners, or personalized gifts. Enter this into the search bar. This is your starting point, so choose something you have a passion for or see potential in. After entering your niche idea, click on the Explore button to view data related to your search term. Here, you'll find valuable insights into how your niche has been trending over time. Next, it's time to fine-tune your search by adjusting the filters. This step will help you get more precise data that's tailored to your target market. Start by adjusting the location filter. Choose your target country or region so you can see trending data specific to where you plan to sell. Now, let's set the time range filter. Choose one that aligns with your business goals. If you're focused on short-term campaigns, you might select the past 7 days. For planning current campaigns, the past 12 months is ideal. For spotting long-term seasonal cycles, go with the past 5 years. Another useful filter is the category filter. Select the industry that best fits your niche to get even more accurate insights. This will ensure the trends you're viewing are specifically relevant to your area of interest. As you analyze the results, pay attention to the interest over time graph. This will show you if interest in your niche is rising, steady, or falling. A rising or steady interest can indicate a good niche for your Etsy shop. Conversely, if interest is falling, you may want to consider other options. Seasonal spikes indicate niches that are suitable for seasonal shops, like Christmas ornaments or wedding favors. Explore related topics and queries by scrolling to the related section. Look out for breakout queries, which represent fast-growing, low-competition ideas. Popular related keywords can also inspire new products or variations for your shop. Finally, use the plus compare feature to analyze multiple niche ideas side by side. For instance, you can compare custom tote bags and personalized mugs to determine which has a higher demand. This can guide you in choosing the best option for your Etsy shop. There you have it, a straightforward way to harness Google Trends to discover lucrative Etsy shop ideas quickly and easily. By consistently applying these strategies, you can stay ahead of trends and grow your shop's potential. Happy selling!